So hello guys, welcome back to Furjack Gaming. I'm your host Furjack. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to actually learn game hacking. So what is game hacking? So game hacking is nothing but cheating the game. For example, if I have a game, for example, the take the Subway Surfers. Okay, so in that, what we all need is coins and keys. We collect it by playing the game, and we collect coins and keys because we need the characters. We need to make a highest score, and we need to buy the score strikes. Okay, so why do we do hacking stuff? So we do hacking stuff because you know, if we go to the game, it will actually something like you will get interesting things for in upcoming levels like that. So you can use the hack to cheat those things and go again and again. So today in this video, it's only for educational purposes. I am not encouraging you to hack any games. So play legally, play. Please support the opponents too, because in the online games the players will be having too much complications. Okay, so please make sure to respect the others. Okay, this video is only for educational purposes. I am teaching you only for educational purposes only. Okay, so now let's learn how and where can I learn hacking. So if you want to learn the PC games hacking, so you can come here and type in game oh, game hacking dot academy. If you go over here, so in this website, so you can learn from this website only. So this website is very useful for computer games hacking. So what is games hacking? So we are for example, if you are playing Assassin's Creed, this is only for example. I am not showing you anything that hacks the Assassin's Creed game. I am not encouraging the game hacking. Okay, I'm just teaching you. So you can come here and learn everything about game hacking and examples things. Okay, so here you will learn everything about game hacking on PC. What about Android? So before talking about Android, I want to say you some things that you need to learn before hacking games. Okay, so you need to learn three things. One is Python programming language, another one is the C, another one is C++. So learn these three languages before learning game hacking, because all the games nowadays are created with C, C++ only. So the Python is because I am telling you guys to learn AI, because if you create an AI that plays the game, and it will replace the whole history of the game. Not, it is not hacking inside the game, but we are creating a AI which plays the game, right? So try to do that thing. Don't hack the games. Try to change the history. Okay, so I created it with too many games like cookie clicker and many other means the piano, the black tiles. You want to click the black tiles, right? So I hacked those games, and it literally worked. I used the pyauto GUI and the Python and the pyauto GUI library to do those things. It was awesome. But you guys, why do you guys hack into the game? Try to change the thing and try to make a bot that will play the game without hacking, but perfectly play the game. Okay, it will be awesome, right? So try it yourself. With You can also gain the enjoyment, while if you hack a game, it will be more fun and enjoy to you. But if you create a bot that plays the game, it will be more enjoying to you, and even you could not get banned from those accounts, right? Try to do these things. I encourage you to do this, but not the hacking one. Okay, So let's talk about Android hacking games. So before we talk about this, we have to root our Android. If you don't want to root your Android, you should have a computer or PC, means computer or laptop. Okay. So why I am saying you have to root the phone? So because of the signed APK problems. So the signed APK is nothing but, for example, I have a Call of Duty game over here. So it is actually means it is actually signed APK, right? So the signed APK is nothing but having a jacket on, means the security jacket on. We have to remove the security jacket, and once we remove the security jacket, it's useless. We throw it to the garbage. Okay, then we will crack the game, and uh, we will try to install it, but the Android says it is not, means applicable, it is not openable. So we try to put the throat jacket on this APK, but it does not support it. So what do we do is, we will try to put a test jacket on it. So the test jacket is nothing but we come on the Google and type in APK tool. So this does the test thing, not the original one. So what is the problem here is, Play Store will not allow the test apps. So what do we do here? That is why we need only rooted Androids or rooted PC. Well, it means rooted Android. So you can also use the what do we say, parallel space, but it will not be more workable. So try to root your phone, or you should have an Android. So let's talk about where to learn the Android game hacking. So to learn the Android game hacking, sorry for my bad English, guys, please do not scold me. Okay, sorry for my bad English. I am teaching you guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll improve my teaching skills. Okay, please make sure to subscribe my channel. It is only 2 subscribers left for the 700 subscribers. Please do it, guys. I am so worried. Okay, I know you guys will do, but don't know why nowadays all the support has gone. I have deleted my very lot videos, like 2 videos were there which have gotten more than 20k views. I deleted it because of the copyright strike that was given by the YouTube. So I don't want this video to be copyright strike. So this video is only for educational purposes. Okay. So to learn the game hacking on Android, we will go to this website called Platin Modes. So go to the Platin Modes, and yeah, just create your account here, and yeah, literally they support too much for your questions and answers. So this website has everything you need. So here you come, the moders ground zero. Here you will get the Android tutorial, iOS tutorial, and the modding question and discussion. Here if you go here in the discussion, and yeah, here too in the general discussion, you can talk in any languages. They all support really best community I have ever seen. So please make sure to check this website out, and yeah, and create your account, and uh, take a coffee break as much as you need, and just study. You will become a perfect programming hacker, means an APK hacker. So now, um, is game hacking legal or illegal? So, before knowing that, we have to see the opponents. Means now, if you are playing a multiplayer game, uh, you have best loadouts, and you have come to the ground and ready to start the game. What if someone flies up and takes aim to your head, and you respawn within a second, he shoots you out. You respawn again, he shoots you out. What will you feel like? What will you think about that? Oh my god, the hacker came, the game was so much cheating, like this, that. So think about it twice, right? Think about yourself having in the hacker's playground, and hacker is attacking like you in the opponent. Okay, try to think what happens. Okay, and then if you're interested, try to avoid these hacking things. Okay, I do not encourage any hacking games. Do not hack multiplayer games. Okay, like PUBG, Call of Duty, it is all like their dream to play these games. They'll come first time for playing, and you guys do like this, and they'll be like, oh, this game is not at all nice, this have too many hackers. But I like Call of Duty very much because they have the anti-ban system, which will anti-cheat system, which will take out the hackers within seconds. I loved the Call of Duty, and I salute to them. If you want any other tutorial on Android hacking, means like to unpack the protected IL to CPP files, please make sure to leave that in comment. For example, if I Free Fire IL2CPP file. So this is a protected file, right? This file is protected with too many codes. We can dump it very easily. So, and even we can dump out the Call of Duty's means Call of Duty's IL to CPP file too. If you want a tutorial on that, I can do it for you. Too many channels show that only dumping out the IL to CPP files, protected IL to CPP files, and you guys don't know what to do after that. To know what to do after that, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. If I got 1K subscribers, I'll teach you what to do after decompiling and cracking the codes out. After what to do, I'll say you step by step guide. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.